I'll be presenting on the student essentials. So let me just share my screen. As you can see here, this is the email that consists of all the welcome day details and also the freshman portal. So I'll just be bringing you through the freshman portal. As you can see here, this is the link. And when you click on this link, it will bring you to this browser, this page here. So this page is the welcome day portal. And if some of you that do not have the link or the email, you can actually just Google NBS UPO's email address here, and it should look something like this. Or you can actually just type UPO in the email address and it will auto-generate in your student email. So let me just bring you through this freshman portal. So if you have missed segments of the welcome day, be it in the morning or the afternoon, let me assure you that they are recorded and they will be posted on this page here under welcome day in the next few days. So let me just direct your attention to the useful resources. So this page here consists of all the important materials that NBS freshmen should need to know. So for example, the business streaming criteria, as you can see here, like what Associate Prof Damon covered in the morning. You can see for the business student, the different specializations will require different grades for minimum grades for the different courses. So as you can see here, you can refer here to see the criteria that you need to achieve to get into the specialization of your choice. And next, let me bring you through the SU policy. If you want to find out more about the different courses or the type of courses that you can SU, you can read this document here. Of course, it's not yet updated and it will be updated during the semester. So do keep a lookout for the updates. So next, there's also a student clubs. So those that are interested, you would like to find out more about the student clubs, you can actually refer to this page here, which will contain all the activities that they do and what are the key points that they offer to students that join their club. So moving on, there's also the STARS program. You can click here and log in with your details to see your timetable and also decide if you want to swap your index. So just a bit more about STARS. So for you undergraduates, you all will be under this category for students with ICC requirements. So you can see here, the airdrop schedule is in the first 2 weeks of the semester and it is from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So do keep a lookout for the email that the school will be sending out soon. And if I'm not wrong, it should be the first 2 weeks of school, which will begin next week. Okay. And I also like to bring you through the STARS guide. Just highlight some key points. So as you can see here, this when you look into STARS, you'll see this page here. So you'll be able to see the course code here, which is like this is for a different school, so it will be like CS 4029. That will be the course code followed by the course name, and then the number of AUs. Okay. So after you have input the course codes into the boxes here, you can click on plan registration and it will bring you to this page here, where you can see the different courses that you would like to register and also a timetable as well. And once you have chosen the index that you want, it will be indicated in the timetable here. So just a bit of information about what index is. Index represents the class that is offered for that course. So under a single course, there may be different index, meaning that there are different classes for that course. So the different classes may have different professors, and there also may be different time slots for it as well. Oh, just to make a small correction, the airdrop starts at 10:30 AM instead. So do refer to it. So moving on, I also like to bring you through the planned curriculum. So for accountancy students, you'll be grouped into, and business students, you also will be grouped into Group A and Group B. So to know if you are Group A, you will see that these are the modules, these are the courses that you will see in your timetable for the first semester. So for example, if you're in Group A, accountancy students will see the accounting one, financial management, decision making, and with programming and analytics, so on and so forth. And this here shows the different type of courses that each of these courses are labeled to. So you can refer here to plan your timetable for the next few semesters until you graduate. Just a bit of information for year 1 students, your semester 1 and semester 2 courses will be pre-assigned. Unless you have exemptions, you can actually email the UPO to request to take on more modules so that you can offload the other modules in the future semesters. So moving on, one last thing here is about the undergraduate guide. So it's like a short guide, a summary guide of all the important information that an NBS freshman needs to know. So you can refer here for a compilation of all the information, for example, the maps, the different shuttle bus services that the school offers, the different types of food, as well as the course registration matters, academic matters, and so on and so forth. So do check this document out. So that brings me to the end of my presentation.